Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the really super cute Squishmallow Avery the Duck. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing Avery by doing kind of like the shape of a chicken nugget. So kind of like this. And coming on down a bit further. And then flatter here on the bottom. And he's going to have his little wings on the side. Like that. And like that. Okay. So I'm going to do a line going across here, just above the wing, and another one. Okay, I'm just going to kind of thicken that up a little bit. All right, so next I'm going to do Avery's little belly. So we're going to do a curve like this. And then up top here, he needs his beak, which is a oval shape. And then on the sides, on both sides here, he's got his eyes. So one eye and two eye. And now inside there, we've got a black circle. He looks really cute already, I think. Okay, so now we've got him drawn and we can start adding some color. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of cute little Avery the Squishmallow. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.